Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Authenticator on Binance. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is to open App Store and download the Google Authenticator app if you don't have it installed. Then open the Binance app and go to the settings. Then select security and click the Authenticator app. Next, click Enable and enter the code from the mail or phone. Click Submit. We see a screen with a 16-digit key, which you must copy and write to yourself so as not to lose it. Next, go to the Google Authenticator app and click on the plus sign. Select Enter key and enter any name, for example a Binance, and write the key that was copied. Click Add. Then go back to the Binance and click Next. Now you need to enter a 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app, go back to it and copy it. Then back into the Binance and enter the key. Click Submit. That's all. You can also view my other guides about Binance at the link in description. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easier and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.